Hey everyone, it's Sal Kroll from Coach by Sal. Some of you guys know me as being one of the broker owners of Remax Elite. So this video that I'm putting together is for the realtors or anybody that is into sales. You need to own or invest in the product that you are selling. Pay attention here, realtors. Okay, you need to go into debt by financing and purchasing what you're asking other people to purchase. That's the only way you actually believe in the product that you're selling. Please understand, you're asking buyers or sellers to make the greatest investment probably in their life on your advice, on your guidance. And if they actually knew that you never owned or don't own or any type of home that you live in or an investment property that is generating income, how can they trust that guidance from you? How can they trust the advice that you're giving them? So please understand this. If you want to build credibility in the industry that you work in, please own the product that you're selling. I understand it's not as easy as as 1, 2, 3. You just go out there and buy a property, but make it your mission, make it your goal to put money together, save, and then go out and buy that product that you truly believe in and want others to as well. Have a great day.